How to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. Full guide 2026 ChatGPT spinning forever, freezing mid-response, or taking minutes to reply. You're not alone, millions of users reported significant slowdowns in early 2026. The good news is most of these fixes take under 30 seconds. Let's run through all of them right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you the complete fix guide for ChatGPT lagging and slow responses in 2026. Behind the chat interface, there are several reasons that explain ChatGPT's lagging, and once you know what's causing yours, the fix is straightforward. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Check the OpenAI status page first. If ChatGPT was fine yesterday and suddenly slow today, check the status page first. OpenAI has partial outages more often than people realize, and they're not always obvious from the chat interface. If there's an active outage, nothing you do locally will help, just wait it out. Step 2. Start a brand new chat. Starting a new chat instantly clears the accumulated conversation context. Long conversations slow ChatGPT down because the model reprocesses the entire history with each response. A fresh chat is immediately faster. This is the single most effective quick fix available. Step 3. Hard refresh your browser and open incognito. Hard refresh your browser using Ctrl-Shift-R on Windows or CMD-Shift-R on Mac. Then try an incognito window with extensions disabled. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with ChatGPT's streaming responses. If incognito is faster, a browser extension is your culprit. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time as the time range. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Corrupted cached data is one of the most overlooked causes of persistent ChatGPT lag. Step 5. Fix your internet connection. Close bandwidth-heavy applications like video streaming, downloads, and cloud backups while using ChatGPT. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stability, especially important for long ChatGPT sessions. ChatGPT requires minimal bandwidth but low latency. A connection with 5 Mbps download but 200 ms latency will feel slower than 3 Mbps with just 30 ms latency. Step 6. Avoid peak hours and switch models. Between roughly 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. US time zones, ChatGPT is at its busiest. Free users get throttled first, which means slower responses and sometimes outright rate limit errors. If you're on a free account, try using ChatGPT early morning or late evening. Also try switching to a different model, for example from GPT-4o to GPT-4o Mini, to determine if the issue is model-specific. Step 7. Prompt smarter. Be concise or keep it brief to your prompt. ChatGPT often generates 500-word responses when 100 words would do. Shorter responses stream faster and feel more responsive. Here's your pro tip: sign out of ChatGPT completely, then sign back in and clear the site data specifically for ChatGPT, not just the general browser cache. This is the official OpenAI recommended fix, and it resolves the majority of persistent freezing and slow loading issues that survive a normal browser refresh. Most people skip this step and wonder why the problem keeps coming back. And those are your complete fixes for ChatGPT lagging and slow responses in 2026. Checking the status page, starting a new chat, clearing cache, fixing your connection, avoiding peak hours. Switching models and prompting smarter. Work through them in order and one will absolutely solve your problem. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more ChatGPT fix guides every week. Drop a comment below which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.